We have a lot of grocery stores, international markets, all your corner stores that are going to be selling not only maybe liquor, but definitely food. So you walk in, the first thing I would be looking for is there a cooking exposure? Is there a deli, maybe a taqueria? Are there any other vendors inside of that store? You know, maybe a little jewelry counter, something like that. Their hours of operation, that's definitely an important factor that carriers are always looking for answers on. The size of the operation. How large is this grocery store? Is it under 3,000 square feet? Is anything over that 3,000 mark, again, is going to put you into that supermarket category. So now, you know supermarkets, 3,000 square feet or over 500,000 in sales. Anything under that, we can definitely look at under this grocery store class code. And then similar to the previous liquor store case, are they offering check cashing or delivery? Because that will minimize the market that we can go after for this class of business. So definitely the ones in our sweet spot are going to be the international markets. We can do liquor or without. For this example, I'm doing no liquor, and the sales are under 500,000. They do have a deli inside there with some cooking, but there's no table service. So this one, international market with a cooking operation, fast food type of thing. There are some tables, but there's no table service, so we don't have a restaurant exposure. So the coverages needed for this type of risk, very similar to the liquor store, your general liability, business personal property, the business income. And I added in tenant improvement and betterments for this one because of that deli operation with the cooking. You're going to have more equipment that the owner is going to be bringing in that they would want coverage for, and equipment breakdown, and then food spoilage. If there is any type of power outage, they have a lot of food in there, a lot of perishable food items that they're going to want to have coverage for. So food spoilage is definitely a big one to take into account when you're working with that business owner.